wake up, meaning stop sleeping. Example, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Get up, meaning leave the bed. Example, I get up immediately after my alarm rings. Stay up, meaning not go to bed. Example, I stayed up late watching TV. Lie down, meaning rest in a flat position. Example, I lie down for a few minutes after lunch. Sit down, meaning take a seat. Example, please sit down and relax. Turn on, meaning start a device. Example, turn on the fan, please. Turn off, meaning stop a device. Example, don't forget to turn off the lights. Plug in, meaning connect to electricity. Example, plug in your phone to charge it. Unplug, meaning disconnect from electricity. Example, unplug the heater before leaving the room. Clean up, meaning make a place tidy. Example, let's clean up the living room. Pick up, meaning lift or collect something. Example, pick up your shoes from the floor. Put away, meaning place something in its proper position. Example, put away your clothes after washing them. Throw away, meaning dispose of something. Example, throw away the empty bottles. Hang up, meaning place clothes on a hanger or hook. Example, hang up your jacket near the door. Take off, meaning remove clothing. Example, take off your shoes before entering the house. Run out of, meaning have no more of something. Example, we ran out of milk this morning. Fill up, meaning make something full. Example, fill up the water bottle. Heat up, meaning make food warm or hot. Example, heat up the leftover food. Cool down, meaning become less hot or calmer. Example, let the soup cool down before eating. Lock up, meaning close and lock doors or windows. Example, lock up the house before going to bed. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these two videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.